Hello, you scrubs. Hello, you scrubs. Today, I don't know what the fuck we're doing. We're just doing shit mad. Okay, let's go right into the game. Wow. If it's full, I will actually freaking. No! I wanted to play Tiffany Mayumi. I can't do it. Why? Nah. Oh my god, there's no good games. Oh my god. Uh. Let's play this piece of garbage because I hate it. Let's do that. Great. Also, I was thinking about doing the webcam, but my room looks like absolute trash right now. So not today, you scrubs. What the hell is this? This is what. This is the most absolute piece of garbage I have ever friggin'. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's the fucking intermission. Okay. That explains everything. Okay then. Okay then. Oh, I'm not okay with this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Can I just die? What's the point of living? Holy three! Oh my god, oh my gosh. I hear him. No! No! What was the point, anyways? What was the point?